Hi everyone, welcome to Mix Shop Review. My name's Colette Matriga and today I am super excited to share with you information about two incredible spoons that are now available in the Mix Shop. Let's start off with the Mix Incredible Spoon. Now this spoon is made out of a hard or strong heat resistant nylon and it comes in charcoal grey, and yes, it is dishwasher safe. Now what you'll notice first of all is how deep this spoon is. So it acts as a ladle, so you can comfortably scoop curries and soups and casseroles out of your bowl and pop them into the serving dish. So that's a lovely feature. Can you also notice how narrow this is? That means that you can comfortably get this spoon in between the blades and scoop up from there as well. Looking at the base of this, we've got a little bit of a silicone lip, and can you see how straight it is? This means it's going to scoop up any goodness from the bottom base of the bowl, and it has that little bit of flexibility that's going to enable that to happen seamlessly. Not leaving it there, Thermomix totally making this multifunctional. We have got two rings inside our spoon, and those two rings represent a teaspoon measurement and a tablespoon. So if you're cooking away and you're stirring some bits with your spoon and you need to add a tablespoon of oil, you can literally pour it into here without washing your spoon. We don't have to do that. And then you can pop that into whatever you're cooking. So that is a great feature. Let's say though the recipe now calls for some oregano and you've got a wet dirty spoon, no problem, they've even thought of that. At the other end we've got a little teaspoon measurement which will fit into your spice jar, and you can pour that in, so keeping this for dry, keeping this measurement here for your wet. So that there is your beautiful, the Mix Incredible spoon. It is incredible, and it is multitasking. It's a cook spoon, it's a measuring spoon, and it's a ladle all in one, and it's now available in the Mix Shop. Okay, let's go and have a little look at the next incredible spoon, which is the incredible straining spoon. It comes in celery green, and again made out of that strong nylon, and it can resist heats up to 200 degrees, so pretty cool. Now what makes this special, it's got a really big head, so when you're scooping things out you're going to capture a lot, and of course all the liquid is going to drain out. Think of things like poached eggs and stuff like that. Now, one of the other great things, which I'm really loving, is that you can take your beautiful bowl, and there is a lip. Can you see that little kind of hook, lippy thing on the end? What that does, it connects up to the end of your bowl, and it securely, it's a bit hard doing it on the video here, it securely pops that into position so that you can pour stuff straight out. Oh, it's good exercise here actually. You can pour stuff out from your bowl and drain things really easily. So again, it's not going to damage your blades, as the Incredible Mix spoon won't either. You know it's really important with your Thermomix not to be putting metal spoons or appliances into your Thermomix bowl, because you don't want to damage the blades. So these two are going to be a great asset to your accessory range with your Thermomix, and as I said, they are available in the Mix Shop now. The incredible multifunctional mix spoon and the also incredible straining spoon. So head to the Mix Shop, go check them out, and I'd love to hear what you think of them. My name's Colette Matriga. Thanks for joining me today in Mix Shop Review, and I look forward to reviewing something else from you next month. Bye for now.